This unit is over producers, consumers, and also goods and services. So stay tuned, and this is the rest of your lesson. So previously in the PowerPoint, we had talked about being a producer and a consumer and what that means. So just for some review, a producer is someone who makes or grows something, and then a consumer is someone who will use services or who will purchase things, purchase goods essentially. So here we have a teacher who obviously works in the school, and we have two other people in the community. So I'm going to tell you how both of these represent being a producer and a consumer. So we have Robert, and he makes pizza. He produces pizza. And you have Miss Taylor in the middle. She loves pizza. So she's being a consumer and she's buying pizza. So those are examples of how Robert is a producer and Miss Taylor is a consumer. So let's look at it the other way. So Miss Taylor is being a producer by making teddy bears. And Jack, on the far right hand, his sister really wants a teddy bear for her birthday. So Jack, being a consumer, is buying the teddy bear for his sister. So in each category, we have a way where they're interacting with each other. They are both showing examples of being a producer and a consumer. So here we have three other categories. We have a teacher, a nurse, and a policeman. So here it shows that each of these people are doing something, doing a service to earn money. In the middle, you obviously see that the nurse has $4 signs compared to the teacher who has 3 and the policeman who has 2. This is the amount of money that they earn. Now, with each job, they do different things. So a nurse may take care of somebody that is sick, a policeman may be protecting the community, and a teacher may be teaching young students. So each of them do different things, and each of them make a different amount of money. So here we have our budget. So we have a budget of $4. Let's say that that's our income. So our income is $4, and we have a list going on here. So rent would be 2 of our dollars, bills would be 1 of our dollars, and food would be another dollar. So add that all up, and that's $4. So that's all of our budget that we have. So you can see that we don't really have any room for toys. And now that is such an important reason why we really need to make some choices about the goods and services that we use. And lastly, people exchange services all the time to get the things that they want. And a great example of this may be, let's say that I really don't want to clean my room, and my sister just does not want to do the dishes. We could trade each other's services so we are all happy. So I could do the dishes for her and she could clean my room, and at the end of the day, we are all happy and we exchanged goods and services to get the things that we want and need. Thank you so much for listening. Okay, students, now you need to go to the assessment page to test your knowledge.